Welcome to Math Lab. Today, you're on your journey to discover how to solve real-life problems in direct and inverse variation. When two sets are in proportion using a constant multiplier so that an increase in one matches an increase in the other, they are said to be in direct variation. Therefore, x is directly proportional to y if x is equal to some constant times y. When two sets are in proportion and an increase in one matches a decrease in the other, they are said to be in inverse variation. So x varies inversely with y if x is equal to some constant divided by y. Today, you're provided with a lab observation sheet which has a few problems involving direct and inverse variation. A strip which contains the numbers and the unknowns. You will need to solve the problem, and a direct and inverse variation grid. Let us consider the following problem. What would be the cost of 30 meters of cloth if 5 meters of cloth costs rupees 50? Do you feel when the length of cloth increases, does the cost also increase? Yes, indeed. This situation follows direct variation. Cut your number strip and place it in the correct pocket of the direct variation grid. Remember, in direct variation, you will see the cross multiplication or this cross as the pattern. Now, remove your numbers and follow the pattern to form the correct equation in the working space provided in your lab observation sheet. When we follow the pattern, we get 5 into x is equal to 30 into 50. Therefore, we can say x is equal to 30 into 50 by 5. X is equal to rupees 300. Let us consider the following problem. A factory requires 15 machines to produce a given number of articles in 24 days. How many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles in 9 days? Do you feel when the number of machines increase, does the number of days increase or decrease? Yes, indeed. More machines will result in lesser number of days. This situation follows inverse variation. Cut your number strip and place it in the correct pocket of the inverse variation grid. Remember, in inverse variation, you will see this open cup pattern. Now, remove your numbers and follow the pattern to form your equation. So, following the pattern, we have 15 by x is equal to 9 by 24. Or we can say 15 into 24 is equal to 9 into x. Or x is equal to 15 into 24 by 9. You can cancel out. X is equal to 40. Therefore, we require 40 machines. Read your problems well before solving. Use the grids to help you get to the equation. Have fun discovering everyday life problems in direct and inverse variation.